So we're in line at berth 93. And it's quite a line since it's only 10:45. Hey, Janet. So everyone came early to get on the Discovery Princess. Even us. The Discovery Princess is too big to dock here at this dock, so they're going to shuttle us down to another dock.
And we had to check our luggage back there. We're going to put on the vans to take down. Now we're waiting in line.
This, of course, is the maiden voyage of the Discovery Princess, but I think it's going to do this for several weeks now because the Bliss is taking the big berth. NCL. So, if you're coming in the next few weeks, get ready. Get this way. So, not too crowded up here. Keep your distance though. You have to wear masks, obviously. Health screening check-in, and people waiting to serve you. So we checked in, our medallion, we just used that. They had to see our passports, which we had, of course. Oh my God, look at the crowd. So now we have to board buses. And you probably don't see that like I do, but you see all those thousands of people? Yeah, Janet's trying to show me this sign. So I'm gonna go off, but now we wait for the bus to take us down to Pier 50 or whatever. So they redirected us to a platinum line. The other boarding lines are groups. They're gonna have to wait. It's just after 11. We're in the platinum line, waiting for a bus. Those are the boarding groups sitting down. So they're not platinum or elite. So they have to wait longer. I don't know how much longer. I don't know how it works yet. They just told us to stand in this line. And this line is getting long. So we got out of there. I mean, we're still in line. It was about 15-20 minutes standing there in line, and I really don't know where we're headed. I guess back down maybe to where a bus might park, and that's because we're platinum. Oh, there's a bus. If we weren't platinum, we'd be sitting in chairs right now, as some of the platinum people are, because the bus can only hold so much. And I feel like there's only one bus, which seems unbelievable, but that's how long it's taking. All right, we're on the bus.
We are.
It's about 11:25, so it took about half an hour from when we got in, check in. Most of that was waiting in line, but it's like a 5-minute drive down to the ship, and then we'll be on the ship. So we've left the terminal behind. This is sunny San Pedro. There's our car. Of course, there's the Norwegian Bliss, taking up the big spot. And that's the top of the Iowa right there. You can take tours of that.
See the black top.
So there's the ship right there. So we're almost there.
We're accepted. It don't matter how you say.
Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Discovery Princess. So So in a few minutes, we'll be there. Getting off the bus.
No, we gotta get a suitcase.
Hi. Going in this tent. Gonna be x-rayed, I guess. Metal detected.
You go to your left.
To the left, to the left, to the left.
So close, please. Anything with metal in here?
Let me. All right, here we are. Boarding. Let me stand back here. Moving gangway.
Moving gangway.
Oh,
Where do you want? There you go. Welcome back. Thank you so much.
thank you. Well, that's weird. Hey, you're welcome. Security. There we go. The medallion worked. Hi. Thank you, Corrine.
Oh, there you go. You even know my name.
Well, I read your button.
And you said it right. Do you know your stateroom number?
I think it's R726. What do you think?
Brilliant. I think that's the right number. So you're going to use these elevators up to deck 14, which is where the captain lives, and all the way back.
Stairs.
Or you can use the stairs or the elevator.
Port side.
Yes. There you go.
Grazie.
Welcome.
Grazie. So, ice cream place. Thank you. Let me go right over here really quick. Oh, it's just beautiful, isn't it? I have to one-hand clap them. These must be the dignitaries. This must be the salty dog. Salty dog!
Hello.
International Cafe. Okay. Whoa. The carpet feels weird. Janet wants to get a coffee. So this is guest services and shore excursions. And Karina.
Italian trattoria.
Sabatini's. Italian Trattoria. All right. Well, this part of the ship looks good.
Hello.
I thought you said there was no line. So is this Good Spirits?
Hello.
Is this Good Spirits?
Yes.
Do we still give out t-shirts?
Oh, at the moment we don't have any.
Oh, okay.
information about
God, I forgot to bring the t-shirts.
T-shirts.